Hello! What a surprise! We have another Goyard unboxing. Shocker! Another Goyard unboxing now. Crazy. He got more. Who would have thunk it? Where's my Goyard Gang at? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Misc and I am a Goyard geek. Surprise, surprise. There is a surprise. Wait, no, there is actually a surprise. Obviously, I got something because I have to get something every time. And every time I post a video, I have to do an unboxing for you guys. So we got a little something in here to unbox for fun. As this is the warm-up. This is the opening act for the main event, which the main event today is actually going to be, I'm going to be talking about the monogramming process, and I just got my bag back that I monogrammed. So if you want to hear anything about monogramming with Goyard, the colors, the process, costs, all that kind of stuff, any of that kind of info, stick around. Please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you so much. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you guys coming to spend some time with me, okay? I hope this video is going to be very informative for you guys and fun, because who doesn't want a little fun? I mean, we all want a little fun, right? Double trouble today, unboxing and monogramming. Maybe I'll talk about the monogramming process while I unbox, because, you know. Well, I got another box. The stickers are on tight. That's what she said. Is that a joke?
Not allowed anymore?
Cut!
Jane, cut.
I got another little one of these cuties because I love them and they're so practical. Bag, wrap. You guys know the drill. If you don't know the drill by now, please watch my other videos so you can learn the drill. Because I'm going to speed through this one. I just wanted another little cutie, patootie. Because who doesn't like to have options and bag options, color options, size options. And my goal in my life is to have one of every bag and one of every color from Goyard. Maybe not one of every bag. I definitely want to have one of every color in some form. And I'm pretty close, but I have gotten rid of some stuff. And I have given away some stuff. And I've gifted some stuff. Small size, little, you guys can tell. It's not in a box, so it's not an SLG. It's a bag because it's in dust bag. Dust bags in bags. SLGs in boxes. The leashes and collars and stuff. And bracelets come in boxes. And then all of the trunks and stuff come in boxes. Everything hard comes in boxes too. So it's a beautiful. Little Goyard, it's so little. If you guys watched my other videos, you already know what this is because I boxed it before, but I got another Plumet, wow, in burgundy, because why not? And because I also have a burgundy wallet, which I didn't bring. Fudge. I'm gonna go get it. And so this is the Plumet, so cute. Low clutch. Well, they have another clutch, the VIDS, which I think is a newer bag, which is basically a long wallet on a strap. It's pretty good for a wallet on chain compared to an L wallet on chain or Hermes wallet on chain. It's not on a chain though. Goyard does have a different chain one. That one may be more expensive, but this one's on a leather strap, just like this. That's detachable, the VIDS. This one's also on a leather strap, detachable, so you can kind of hold it like a little clutch, like that, or whatever, or like that, like that, or you can wear it crossbody. I'm not gonna go through all the ways of that because if you want, you can watch my other Plumet video where I unboxed the navy Plumet, and you can see how to wear it. I also did a what fits in my Plumet video with the navy one. I will link as well here. Basic overview of the bag. It's about 6x8. Can fit your phone, this back pocket easily. It's got a flat button closure, and it's got 3 little compartments inside. A front one with a little card slot, a back one with a little card slot in leather, canvas lining inside, canvas inside, but then there's a little leather card slot, and then it's got a zippy one in the middle for a zipper, for you're more securely. And as you can see, it kind of does this little this little 3, it's almost like a little mouth. I am gonna be a dork and do this. You guys.
Hello, my name is Plumet.
It's really hard to move the middle one, but that's supposed to be the tongue, actually. And then this is the hair. Okay, enough of that. So, and then it's got a back pocket. So it's got front pocket, canvas lining with a leather card slot. Middle pocket, zipper, a little smaller, but zipped. Back pocket, card slot, another canvas, space lining. And the middle pocket's canvas too. All those canvases I meant linen. So it's got 3 compartments. First one, front slot with card holder in a leather card holder slot, and then just a big open area. Second one's a zipper one. It's a little smaller and thinner. Zipped, just one big pocket. And then the back pocket's literally a mirror of the front pocket, just reversed. So there's a leather slot on this side for a card, and then a big empty space. And then there's a back pouch area where the strap is currently hiding. That's the strap. Crossbody length, also shoulder length. You can shoulder it right there. I wonder if you could probably even, maybe you could double it up and tuck it underneath, and then you could wear it like a really short shoulder one. Hey, whoa! I just figured out a new way to wear this. Double strap. Make it a really short one. So that's the only try-on I'm gonna show you, because you can watch the other video for the other try-ons. But yeah, you can make it like a little purse. That's kind of cute, actually. Wow, this is such a versatile bag, you guys. I really like this bag. For the price point, it's pretty good. For a little small, it's cheaper than the St. Louis tote. Or you can wear it like this. You could wear it like a little around your neck, like, you know, when you're going to like an event and you have to have your like badge. Apparently there's like lanyard things that like the Gucci Balenciaga collab did one of those. Then I think Fendace just did one. Straps come off with these little pin thingies. It's got these like two things on the side where they wrap around to connect with the stitching, which are very kind of actually protruding. I love the burgundy. It's a great, beautiful, neutral color. That's all I gotta say, you guys. I think I'm done. Yeah, that was fun. Oh, okay. Also, so it comes with a little extra Goyard pouch for your strap when you want to take it off and not have the strap on. Little thing that tells you about it. All of that fun goodies, goody. That is the Goyard Plumet pouch.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a thumbs up and consider subscribing.
Did that work? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and please smash that like button and please share with your friends and family. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. If you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments below.